Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PiggyVest community and user stories, and here's the breakdown. If you want inspiration on savings and investing, PiggyVest community is full of real stories from everyday users who hit big goal. Many people share how they turn small consistent savings into emergency fund, school fees, vacation, or even business seed money, showing that disciplined saving really pay offs. You will also see success tales of people using SafeLock or PiggyVest Invest to grow their money faster than a regular saving account, plus referral that boosted balance without extra effort. These stories are honest, relatable, and remind you that even small steps add up over time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money motivation, and comment which PiggyVest success stories inspire you the most. And that's it.